The articulating forklifts feature front-wheel drive in order to provide the best traction in all situations. Power is supplied to both drive wheels 100% of the time through Flexi's limited slip differential. Because Flexi is front-wheel drive, like most other counterbalanced forklifts, as load weights increase, so does traction for the drive wheels. As an articulating forklift, Flexi also steers from the front. Flexi's precise steering is a direct result of the traction provided through its front-wheel drive design. Flexi comes standard with premium Continental cushion-type rubber tires on all four wheels. Cushion tires help to reduce the effect of shock and impact while traveling over loading docks and rough floors. Cushion tires also provide better grip than the hard polyurethane wheels found on other types of narrow and very narrow aisle forklifts. Flexi comes standard with German-made Kaup side shifters and includes at no extra charge LED headlights, audible backup alarm, and flashing strobe light. Contact your dealer or factory for other popular options. Flexi triple-stage masts are built using the highest quality German steel. The field division for the operators increased by utilizing 2 primary and 2 free lift cylinders located away from the field division on each side of the mast. Flexi chooses to protect the tilt cylinder rods, barrels, and hoses from potential damage by locating them within the heavy steel framework of the front steering assembly. This extra design detail helps reduce damage and lowers overall maintenance cost. The foundation of Flexi's ability to pick and place a load on either side of the aisle is its massive 360-degree steering ring gear. Designed originally for extreme use as a tank turret gear, it is rated at over 40,000 pounds capacity. Flexi protects this assembly with a 5-year, 5,000-hour warranty. Should this gear ever show signs of wear, it can be rotated 180 degrees to use the opposite side. Flexi doesn't require a perfectly flat floor like some other types of narrow aisle forklifts. The drive assembly connects to the chassis through an extra heavy-duty pivot pin. This pivot pin allows the drive wheels to maintain contact on uneven warehouse and dock floors. Conveniently located grease zerks make the pin easy to lubricate during scheduled service. The operator compartment can be entered from either side. Well-placed steps and handholds on either side of the forklift make it easy for ingress and egress. The tilting steering column and 3-way adjustable grabber seat accommodate all operator shapes and sizes. The seat rake adjustment allows the operator an easy view through the overhead guard to reduce neck strain at higher load elevations. Easy-to-read instrumentation keeps the operator informed and reduces troubleshooting time for the service technicians. Visibility from the operator's compartment is the best in the industry. The overhead guard meets all ANSI and OSHA requirements without front posts. This visibility reduces both cycle time and product damage. The Flexi is one of the easiest narrow aisle forklifts to learn to operate. Operators who are familiar with the control layout of conventional forklifts will feel right at home. This reduces the amount of time it takes operators to master the Flexi. The ergonomically engineered steering wheel with spinner knob makes steering the Flexi very easy. Precise control is effortless. 2 horn buttons make it very easy to warn others that the Flexi is working in their vicinity. A conventional button is located within easy reach of the operator's right hand, just in front of the directional lever. The second horn button is located on the floorboard within easy reach of the operator's left foot and allows for hands-free operation. Foot pedals for brakes and acceleration conform to all safety standards and are placed at the proper width to accommodate heavy work boots. The Flexi can be slowed or stopped by using either the brake pedal or the plugging function that is built into the directional lever. A conveniently located parking brake lever mechanically activates both rear wheel brakes when applied. There is a glove box for small item storage in the armrest and a package tray built into the top of the battery cover for extra carrying convenience. Optional brackets for clipboards, computers, and RFID devices are available. Servicing the Flexi is easy because all the components are very accessible. Simply raise the seat tray to access the hydraulic and power steering motors. Remove a fiberglass cover to access the electronic control panel, or remove a single bolt to open the door to access the drive motor. The battery can stay in place during scheduled maintenance, which reduces service time and cost. The location of the drive motor at the front of the Flexi improves air circulation for better cooling of the motor. There are no electrical or mechanical components located underneath the battery. This eliminates damage from the overflow of caustic battery fluids, which reduces downtime and maintenance expense. The location in the back of the truck makes it easy to install or remove the battery by using a pallet jack or another forklift. A built-in stand underneath the battery allows it to be placed wherever needed for charging or storage and eliminates the cost of special battery handling equipment. Differential fluid levels can be checked through an easy-to-reach port at the front of the differential. Engineering easy access to all service areas is a Flexi hallmark. This increases your uptime and lowers your maintenance expense. The AC control system is manufactured by Zappi. Schaub-Mueller manufactures the traction, hydraulic, and power steering motors. Because Zappi owns Schaub-Mueller, it was easy for the companies to collaborate to match the controller to the motors to ensure optimal long-term reliability. Most manufacturers use a single pump and motor combination for both power steering and hydraulics. The Flexi utilizes separate motors and Sauer-Danfoss pumps for each function. This allows for much smoother operation when steering and raising the forks at the same time as the forklift approaches the next pallet to be picked. The use of separate motors and pumps reduces power consumption and extends run times.